Hey my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. So today's video is all about your office makeup. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to use this Nykaa primer, Prep Me Up primer. Just going to take it little bit, very less, this much. And I'm going to apply. Okay, I'm done. So now I'm going to apply Krylon base. This is actually a mixture of 3 base, FS22 and Ivory and 303 concealer. That's it. No, one more is there, FS28. Now I'm going to dab it with my fingers only. You don't need to be very particular for this look. If you have clear skin, you don't need to apply any base or foundation. Just go with your BB or CC cream. Just apply compact over that. Okay, so I'm done with my base. Now I'm going to apply my translucent powder. I'm not going to rub it. I'm just going to dab it like very smoothly. See, I'm not going to do any contouring because वो ज़्यादा ही harsh हो जाएगा फिर. Till I get my eye makeup done, I'm going to keep it like this. I'm going to use shade this one. I'm directly using the blending brush. I'm going to use only one shade. Dust off the excess and then apply. Next step is highlight my brow area. I'm going to use this statement shade. So now I'm going to shape my eyebrows. Just start it with the inner corners, take it to the end corners, and now the upper part. You need to do this step with a very light hand. You can't just do like this, poking your eyebrows. No, just do it very lightly. After applying the line, just shape it up with this brush. Okay, so I'm done with my eyeshadow and brow area. I'm going to apply kajal. So now I'm going to apply black eyeshadow here. I'm just going to apply this on my outer corners. So maybe now you get my point why I applied kajal in my upper waterline, because अगर आप ये सिर्फ outer corner में कर रहे हो और अंदर से आपने अगर apply नहीं किया है, it's going to look incomplete. So make my eyes look beautiful. I do this and bigger because I have very small eyes like chinku. Now I'm going to apply the same Lakme kajal. And that's it. Now I'm going to apply my Maybelline mascara, the Hyper Curl Volume Express. Sorry for the disturbance. वहाँ पे एक बच्चा खेल रहा है. So the next step is I'm going to blush with my Lakme blusher. ये बहुत ना pigmented है, so you need to dust off and you need to do like this and just smile. And now I'm going to apply highlighter a bit. Okay, so what is left now? Your lip color. For this I'm using Makeup Studio palette. So I have chosen this color. So this is my full makeup tutorial video for office makeup. Let me get the attire look also. I don't have that properly, but yeah, I'll try my best to cover it up with wearing shirts and all. So yeah, this was my tutorial for office makeup look. I hope this video gonna help you to slay in your office. Yeah, do subscribe, share. I need your support. Till then, enjoy your quarantine days. Bye, take care.